explore the majestic evolution of Chinese architecture in this captivating journey through history. From the ancient wonders of the Forbidden City and the serene elegance of classical gardens to the modern skyscrapers transforming city skylines today, this video delves into the rich tapestry of Chinese architectural heritage. Discover how traditional influences such as Feng Shui and intricate woodwork shaped iconic structures like the Great Wall and traditional courtyard houses. Witness the architectural innovations of dynasties like the Tang, Song, and Ming, which left indelible marks on China's architectural landscape. Through stunning visuals and expert insights, uncover the stories behind each architectural marvel, illustrating the harmony between nature, culture, and craftsmanship that defines Chinese architectural philosophy. Whether it's the timeless appeal of pagodas or the contemporary marvels of Shanghai's skyline, this video showcases the enduring legacy and evolving beauty of Chinese architecture across centuries. Join us on a visual odyssey that spans from the ancient past to the vibrant present, celebrating the enduring spirit and cultural significance embedded within China's architectural wonders.